It is a mad rush as thousands of Kenyans try to book public means to travel upcountry, despite COVID-19 fears and pleas from health officials. A spot check by Citizen Television established that commuters jammed bus stages to link up with family and loved ones. The story is produced by Gatete Jerogi.
Congestion along Fangano Lane in Nairobi's central business district. Hundreds of passengers camp outside the booking offices of matatus that are plying the Bungoma, Eldoret and Kitale route, waiting for their turn to begin the journey to their rural homes for the Christmas festivities, with operators taking advantage of the increased demand to raise fares.
Nimekuja hapa kutokea 5 in the morning, lakini kupata gari imekuwa ngumu. Naelekea Kimilili Bungoma, tunachajiwa 2,000 ambayo ni mingi kulingana na venye tumezoea, huwa ina haipiti 1,500.
Laini ni mrefu, bei iko juu. Bado tunangojea, unapoangalia umati wa watu hapa, watu bado ni wengi, wengine hatujapata magari.
The passengers expressing optimism that their trip home for the celebrations will not endanger their loved ones, especially the vulnerable group such as the elderly.
Unaweza chukua kama wewe mwenyewe majukumu yako kujilinda, kuzuia wale ambao unaenda kuwaona wasije wakaambukizwa. Sasa inabidi hata ukienda unajitenga kwa muda fulani kabla hujaanza kutangamana nao.
But to the failure by most passengers to adhere to the COVID-19 protocol on physical distancing while queuing to book, and failure by some of the matatu operators to comply with the health protocols such as provision of sanitizers and hand washing points, one wonders whether these regulations will be observed in a celebratory mood. This boda rider carrying 3 passengers along Thika Road is not adhering to COVID-19 protocols with his passengers, posing a danger to not only himself and his customers, but also to other road users. Interior Principal Secretary Karanja Kibicho and government spokesman retired Colonel Cyrus Zuguna calling on Kenyans to adhere to strict health protocols.
The most vulnerable are elderly people. Where are these people? These people are living in the villages. True? Now, all of us go there, hug them, do all sorts of things, and then return to the urban centers in January. My friend, the spikes that we could see in January are not imaginable. A vaccine is coming to this country shortly. Stick to the environment where you operate. Don't overexpose other people who you are not dealing with.
Stay home. Let's be able to obey the containment measures, not just in a very casual manner, but let's really be serious about how we observe and obey these containment measures, because this disease is real.
Meanwhile, the country's COVID-19 caseload now stands at 94,500 after 349 people tested positive for the virus from a sample size of 5,025. 6 patients succumbed to the virus, bringing the death toll to 1,639. 831 patients are currently admitted in hospitals, with 52 being in the intensive care unit. On a positive note, 176 patients have recovered, raising the numbers of those who have recovered from the COVID-19 disease to 75,735.